Welcome, smoothie lovers. If you're looking for a delicious and nutritious way to start your day or satisfy your cravings, you've come to the right place. Today, we have a special treat for you, 10 healthy and delicious smoothie recipes that will tantalize your taste buds and nourish your body from the inside out. Whether you're a fruit fanatic, a veggie enthusiast, or love a mix of both, these smoothies are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and natural goodness. So, grab your blender and get ready to blend up some smoothie magic. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more healthy and tasty recipes. Number 1. Classic Green Smoothie. Let's kick things off with a classic green smoothie that's both refreshing and nutrient-packed. In your blender, combine a handful of fresh spinach or kale, a ripe banana, a juicy green apple, and a splash of coconut water or almond milk. Blend until smooth and creamy. This vibrant green concoction is loaded with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it a fantastic way to sneak in some greens into your diet without sacrificing taste. Start your day with this nourishing green goodness, and you'll feel energized and ready to take on the world. Number 2. Tropical Mango Pineapple Smoothie. Transport your taste buds to a tropical paradise with a luscious mango pineapple smoothie. In your blender, combine ripe mango chunks, sweet pineapple, and a splash of coconut milk. For an extra kick of flavor, add a squeeze of fresh lime juice and a hint of grated ginger. Blend until smooth, and you'll be greeted with a burst of sunny flavors that'll make you feel like you're sipping a beachside cocktail. This tropical delight is not only delicious, but also rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, making it a great choice for boosting your immune system. Number 3. Berry Blast Smoothie. Berries are nature's little powerhouses, and our Berry Blast smoothie combines the best of them. In your blender, mix a handful of fresh or frozen mixed berries such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Add a ripe banana for natural sweetness, a dollop of Greek yogurt for creaminess, and a splash of almond milk to achieve the desired consistency. Blend until smooth, and you'll have a vibrant and antioxidant-rich smoothie that's as delightful as it is healthy. The burst of berry flavors will leave you wanting more. Number 4. Creamy Avocado Spinach Smoothie. Avocado isn't just for savory dishes. It also makes a wonderfully creamy addition to smoothies. In your blender, combine ripe avocado, fresh spinach, a ripe banana, and a splash of coconut water or your favorite plant-based milk. The avocado lends a velvety texture and healthy fats, while the spinach provides a boost of vitamins and minerals. This green and creamy concoction is a perfect choice for those looking to add extra nourishment to their day. Number 5. Protein-Packed Peanut Butter Banana Smoothie. Looking for a filling and protein-rich smoothie to keep you satisfied? Our protein-packed peanut butter banana smoothie has got you covered. In your blender, blend ripe bananas, a spoonful of natural peanut butter, a scoop of protein powder, plant-based or whey, and a drizzle of honey for sweetness. Add a splash of milk or almond milk to reach your preferred consistency. This indulgent and protein-rich smoothie is a great post-workout option or a delicious treat when you need an extra boost of energy. Number 6. Superfood Acai Berry Smoothie Bowl. For those who prefer their smoothies with a spoon, our Superfood Acai Berry Smoothie Bowl is a feast for the eyes and taste buds. In your blender, combine frozen acai berry puree, a ripe banana, and a splash of coconut water or acai juice. Blend until thick and creamy. Pour the smoothie into a bowl and top it with a medley of fresh fruits, granola, and a sprinkle of chia seeds or hemp hearts for added crunch and nutrition. This vibrant and supercharged smoothie bowl is not only beautiful, but also packed with antioxidants and healthy fats. Number 7. Creamy Mixed Nut and Date Smoothie. For a smoothie that feels like a comforting hug, try our Creamy Mixed Nut and Date Smoothie. In your blender, combine a mix of soaked nuts such as almonds, cashews, and walnuts, along with pitted dates for natural sweetness. Add a splash of almond milk and a pinch of cinnamon for a warm and cozy flavor profile. Blend until smooth and creamy. This nutty and nourishing smoothie is a fantastic option for those looking to add more healthy fats and protein to their diet. Number 8. Zesty Citrus Beet Smoothie. Looking for a zesty and refreshing smoothie with a twist? Our Zesty citrus beet smoothie is a delightful option. In your blender, combine juicy oranges, a small cooked beetroot, a ripe banana, and a splash of coconut water or orange juice. Blend until vibrant and smooth. The combination of citrusy tang and earthy sweetness from the beet creates a harmonious and uplifting flavor profile. This smoothie is not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a great source of vitamin C and essential minerals. Number 9. Energizing Matcha Green Tea Smoothie. Boost your morning with an energizing matcha green tea smoothie that's full of antioxidants and natural energy. In your blender, combine matcha green tea powder, a ripe banana, a handful of fresh spinach, and a splash of almond milk or coconut water. Blend until smooth and frothy. The matcha green tea powder provides a gentle caffeine kick and is packed with health benefits. This invigorating smoothie is perfect for starting your day with a focused and energetic mindset. Number 10. Creamy Coconut Chia Smoothie. We end our smoothie adventure with a creamy coconut chia smoothie that's both refreshing and satisfying. In your blender, blend coconut milk, a ripe banana, a spoonful of chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Blend until the chia seeds thicken the smoothie. This creamy and coconutty concoction is a delightful treat that's not only delicious, but also a great source of healthy fats and fiber. And there you have it, 10 healthy and delicious smoothie recipes that will elevate your breakfast game and satisfy your snack cravings. Whether you're a fan of green goodness, tropical delights, or protein-packed treats, these smoothies are designed to nourish your body and delight your taste buds. We hope you'll try these recipes at home and enjoy the goodness they bring to your life. Don't forget to share your favorite smoothie recipes and health tips in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and happy blending.